Are you one of those people that loves to entertain for Halloween? Well, this guy is here to help. This is my plastic skull. This guy here is gonna help you make the most creative smoked salmon platter that you've ever served. And the first thing you wanna do is make sure that you find a skull that is food safe, made out of plastic, and that you can easily wash. Now that our skull is nice and clean, we can start layering our smoked salmon on top. And today I'm using MOWI smoked salmon. It is one of the most delicate Norwegian Atlantic smoked salmons that I've ever tasted. And the best part is when you open the package, you can see these layers of marbling, and that means a ton of flavor. Okay, I'm gonna wear some food safety gloves so it's easier to handle the smoked salmon as well. And to start off, we wanna start spreading some cream cheese throughout the skull. Remember, we've washed the skull, and that cream cheese is gonna hold the smoked salmon in place. Just go ahead and layer the smoked salmon on top. Press into the skull so that it kind of shapes it into that skull shape. Around the jawline. I want to show a little bit of those teeth. Here's where we can get a little bit of creative. For the eyes, you can use large olives. I found some radishes. That'll look like an eyeball, right? Add a little cream cheese or goat cheese so it sticks. Let's add a little iris in there too. This is looking really spooky. Okay, remember, this is our centerpiece. Put it right in the middle, and around it, we're gonna build it up with the rest of our salmon board. This freaky MOWI smoked salmon board is frightfully fun and delicious. For more creative salmon recipe ideas, don't forget to subscribe to MOWI Salmon's YouTube channel.